Hello, everybody. This is Mr. Willeen here. Just wanted to let you know that I wanted to explain the vacation time project to you. And first of all, glad that you guys get a chance to see me at least and know that I'm working on things. But the vacation time project should be done between you and your Think Pair Share partner. It should be a project in which you are going to explain a vacation that you're going to take to some faraway place. You can choose either of the countries that you did your Total Geography 1 or Total Geography 2 on. If you can't remember those, I can help you. Give me an email and I'll shoot that out to you. You can work by yourself or with your Think Pair Share partner. So I'm looking at this kind of being a group project between two people. And you can divide the work however you wish. Please look at the instructions. I've given them to you in pretty good detail. But basically what you need to do is plan a 7-day trip to some place. So I'm going to say we're going to go to Brazil. Okay. So a 7-day trip to Brazil. You can make it 9 days if you want to do one travel day there and one travel day home. Many of these places are a long ways away. And so you might need that whole travel day if you're going to travel by air and it's 10, 11 hours. You know, that's takes up pretty much a day. So anyway, you're going to plan this. For each of the 7 days, you need to tell me what did you do. You're going to plan an outing. It can be a tour. It can be something you do on your own, but you need to plan that. You also need to tell me where you stayed every day, what hotel, what resort, how you did that. You need to tell me what you ate every day. So I'm looking for I have 3 meals. What are you eating each day for breakfast, lunch, and supper? I want you to go to websites, find out what restaurants you want to eat at, where you want to stay. And then also the biggest thing you need to do with that is you also need to give me a budget, record how much you spent. So at the end, you will have a PowerPoint where you're going to show me your travel, what you did each day, where you stayed, what you ate, and then something that I could be able to share with the class. And then you also need a brief write-up. And if you put most everything into your PowerPoint, your write-up doesn't need to be very long. But in your write-up, you're going to tell me again, where did you go? Where did you stay? How much did it cost? That's the big thing in the write-up is tell me the numbers of how much did everything cost. And you know what you ate. The write-up can be just, I mean, you can do that probably in a page if you want to. But if you want to do it, you'll look at, when you get the instructions, you'll see the sample I have in the back is each day, hour by hour. I want you to tell me what you did each day, hour by hour. You can either do that in the video or you can do that in the write-up, either way. But I do want it to be hourly, like an agenda. 7 to 8 a.m. I ate breakfast at the hotel, free continental breakfast. Okay. And then, 10 to 12, we walked around the streets and did some shopping. Okay, 12 to 3, we took a tour of, a museum or whatever. And then all this time, you're also telling me the costs. So again, you guys should see the agenda when you get it. Obviously, I'm always available to answer your questions. If you want to have a Zoom meeting with me individually, you can. Or if you want to give me an email, I will answer you, as quickly as I can. But again, one more time, you're planning a trip to a country of your choosing. Should be your total geography country. 2 people, so you have 2 countries to choose from. It's a 7-day plan trip, plan something to do every day, an activity to do every day. You're keeping track of expenses. You're telling me where you stayed, what you ate, and also transportation, how you got there. So what I really want to do, this is real world, is it's like you're planning a trip. You've always wanted to go to someplace, you're going, and now you're planning the trip. And you also need a budget. Tell me how much it costs. And as far as expenses go, I know that's going to be probably one of your big questions. We're pretending you like won $1 million and you can do whatever you want within reason. I'm going to put a cap on it. I'm going to say $100,000 is what you can spend on the trip. But we are saying that you have that amount of money that you can spend. I found I had to do that because the last 2 years, a few people got a little too extravagant with private jets and all that stuff. But with $100,000, you can still be creative. And by the way, have fun with this. Have fun with this. Do what you want. Make sure you show me some good pictures in the PowerPoint. That's the next thing. PowerPoint is meant to have pictures, so make sure you've got a picture and information in your PowerPoint. And the due date is May 4th, so make sure that you do not let it slide until the very end, because it's too big a project to let it slide. I'm giving you, I've planned your days till May 4th for sure, and I've given you, I think, 4 days to work on this project, and then 2 days to start the next unit as far as notes and things goes. So if there's any questions, let me know. Good luck, have fun, and also remember to send me your Latin America notes, terms, etc. Thanks. You guys have a wonderful day, and hang in there. I know this coronavirus thing can be tough on all of us, but let you know your teachers care about you, and I look forward to seeing you again before the end of the year. But I'm not thinking that's too likely, but you never know. We'll hold out that hope. All right. See you guys.